Welcome to the Ultimate Road Sign Refresher. In this video, we'll walk you through 50 of the most important road signs every driver needs to know. Whether you're preparing for your driving test, refreshing your knowledge, or simply aiming to be a safer, more confident driver, this guide is for you. Knowing these signs isn't just about passing a test. It's about making smart, safe decisions every time you get behind the wheel. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more expert driving tips. First, this is the emergency vehicle sign, and it means drivers are approaching an area where emergency vehicles, such as ambulances, police cars, or fire trucks, may suddenly enter or cross the road. Drivers should stay highly alert. This is the handicapped sign, and it means that parking spaces, entrances, or facilities ahead are reserved for individuals with disabilities. Only vehicles displaying a valid disabled parking permit or badge are legally allowed to use these spaces. This is the truck route sign, and it means that the road ahead is a designated route for heavy trucks or freight vehicles. This helps manage traffic flow by guiding large vehicles onto roads that can safely handle their size, weight, and turning requirements. This is the golf cart sign, and it means that golf carts may be operating on or crossing the road ahead. This is common in golf resorts, residential communities, and recreational zones where these small vehicles are legally allowed to share the roadway. This is the horse-drawn vehicles sign, and it warns drivers that traditional horse-drawn carts or carriages may be using the road. Drivers should reduce speed and pass slowly with extra space to avoid startling the animals. What type of vehicle route is marked by this sign? B. Truck route sign. What type of vehicle is referenced by this sign? Golf cart. What type of emergency service vehicle is indicated here? C. Emergency vehicle. This is the flagger ahead sign, and it means road work is taking place ahead, and traffic is being directed by a human flagger. Drivers must slow down and follow the flagger's instructions carefully to keep traffic moving safely through the work zone. This is the workers ahead sign, and it warns that road workers are on or near the roadway. Drivers must slow down, remain vigilant, and obey posted speed reductions or lane changes to protect the safety of road workers. This is the interstate route marker, 2-digit sign, and it identifies a major U.S. interstate highway designated by a 2-digit number. These highways span multiple states, connecting major cities and regions, and are designed for long-distance, high-speed travel. This is the interstate route marker, 3-digit sign, and it means drivers are approaching a spur or loop route branching off a major interstate. These 3-digit routes often serve city centers, bypasses, or regional connections. This is the interstate route marker with state 2-digit sign, and it helps travelers identify which state they are driving through on a particular interstate. These signs are especially useful on cross-country routes. This is the off-interstate business route marker, loop, 2-digit sign, and it means that the highway temporarily loops off the main interstate to pass through nearby towns or commercial centers. This is the U.S. route marker, 2-digit sign, and it identifies a federally designated highway that forms part of the historic U.S. road network. These routes, often marked with simple black and white shields, predate the modern interstate system. What kind of highway marker is displayed? A. Interstate route marker with state, 2 digits. What kind of road work-related warning is shown here? B. Workers, symbol sign. What type of traffic control is ahead? Flagger ahead. Symbol sign. This is the forest route sign, and it designates a road that runs through a national forest or woodland area. These routes may be paved or unpaved, and are typically maintained by forestry or park authorities. This is the state or local bicycle route sign, and it marks a cycling path or lane designated and maintained by local or state transportation authorities. These routes provide safer, more enjoyable cycling experiences. This is the U.S. bicycle route sign, and it identifies part of a nationwide network of long-distance cycling routes. These well-marked paths cross multiple states, connecting cities, trails, and scenic byways. This is the combination junction, two route signs, and it means that two different numbered routes intersect or merge at the upcoming junction. Drivers should check the route numbers and follow the appropriate signs to continue toward their intended destination without getting off course. This is the parking area sign, and it designates a space where vehicles may legally park. Drivers should still check for any additional instructions, such as time limits or payment requirements. This is the park and ride sign, and it indicates a facility where drivers can park their cars and transfer to public transportation or join a carpool. These locations help reduce traffic congestion in city centers. This is the bicycle parking area directional sign, and it points cyclists toward a designated area where bicycles can be securely parked, often found near transit stations, shopping areas, or parks. What facility is identified by this sign? C. Parking area. What type of cycling route is indicated? U.S. bicycle route. What kind of bike facility is referenced here? B. Bicycle parking area directional. This is the skaters permitted sign, and it means that inline skaters, skateboarders, or other similar users are allowed to use the path or road ahead. Common in parks or recreational zones, this sign ensures that all users share the space respectfully and safely. This is the equestrians permitted sign, and it means that horseback riders are legally allowed to use the road, path, or trail ahead. Drivers should slow down, keep a safe distance. This is the handicapped accessible sign, and it means that the upcoming building, path, or facility meets accessibility standards for individuals with disabilities. This is the bike route sign, and it means the road or path is part of a designated bicycle route. These routes are designed to improve safety and convenience for cyclists by providing dedicated lanes, marked paths, or shared roadways with clear signage to guide riders along their journey. This is the bicycles permitted sign, and it means cyclists are allowed to use the road, lane, or path beyond this point. Drivers should stay aware of cyclists nearby, give them plenty of space when passing, and share the road responsibly to prevent accidents. This is the pedestrians permitted sign, and it means foot traffic is allowed along the path, road, or crossing ahead. Drivers should reduce speed, watch for people walking or jogging, and yield when necessary. What accessibility feature is marked by this sign? Handicapped accessible. What type of bike-friendly path is marked here? Bike route. What type of pedestrian access is permitted here? C. Pedestrians permitted. This is the food sign, and it means that food services such as restaurants, cafes, or fast food outlets are available nearby. typically found on highways or near tourist destinations. This is the gasoline sign, and it means that a fuel station is available ahead where drivers can refuel their vehicles. These signs often appear on highways before exits or service areas to give drivers time to plan their stops for gas. This is the diesel fuel sign, and it means that the upcoming fuel station offers diesel fuel. Important information for trucks, buses, and vehicles that require diesel engines to operate efficiently on long-distance trips. This is the alternative fuel compressed natural gas sign, and it indicates that a nearby refueling station provides compressed natural gas, or CNG, for eco-friendly vehicles. This is the electric vehicle charging sign, and it means that an electric charging station is located nearby. This service allows drivers of electric vehicles to recharge their batteries and continue their journey without range anxiety. This is the tourist information sign, and it means that a visitor center or tourist information office is nearby. These locations typically offer maps, brochures, and local travel advice, helping travelers discover nearby attractions. This is the airport sign, and it means that drivers are approaching an airport entrance or access road. Motorists should watch for directional arrows, shuttle buses, and increased traffic as they approach terminals for passenger drop-offs, pickups, or long-term parking. This is the bus station sign, and it means that a facility serving local or long-distance bus services is nearby. Drivers should expect to see buses entering or leaving the station, and they should watch for pedestrians or travelers moving around the area. What type of vehicle service is indicated here? C. Electric vehicle charging. What fuel type is available at this location? A. Diesel fuel. What alternative fuel type is available? B. Alternative fuel, compressed natural gas. This is the train station sign, and it means that a railway station serving passenger trains is located ahead. Drivers should be prepared for higher pedestrian activity, taxis, and shuttle services. This is the exit GOR, no exit number sign, and it marks the start of a highway exit ramp. Even if no specific exit number is posted, drivers intending to leave the highway should prepare to move into the exit lane. This is the pull-through sign, and it indicates a lane or parking area where drivers, particularly those operating large vehicles or towing trailers, can drive straight through without needing to reverse. This is the wrong way sign, and it means that a driver is heading into oncoming traffic and must turn around immediately. This highly visible warning is placed at the exits of one-way streets or freeway ramps to prevent dangerous head-on collisions. This is the Do Not Pass Stopped Train sign, and it means that drivers must never attempt to drive around lowered gates or stationary trains at a railway crossing. Doing so is illegal and extremely dangerous. This is the speed limit sign, and it indicates the maximum legal driving speed on the road ahead. Drivers must not exceed this limit to maintain safety for all road users, avoid fines, and comply with traffic regulations. This is the No Right Turn for Trucks sign, and it means that trucks and other large commercial vehicles are prohibited from making a right-hand turn at the upcoming intersection. This restriction helps prevent accidents in areas where space is limited. This is the truck height limit sign, and it means that trucks taller than the specified height are not permitted to proceed beyond this point. This restriction is typically enforced near tunnels, bridges, or overpasses with low clearance to prevent accidents or vehicles getting stuck. This is the falling rocks sign, and it warns that the road ahead runs alongside cliffs or steep slopes where rocks may fall onto the roadway without warning. Drivers should stay alert, reduce speed, and avoid stopping near these zones to minimize risk from falling debris. What road regulation does this sign communicate? C. Speed limit. What type of vehicle maneuver is indicated by this sign? C. Pull through. What restriction is applied near railway crossings? B. Do not pass stopped trains. This is the ramp speed advisory sign, and it provides a recommended safe speed for navigating on or off a highway ramp, especially useful when sharp curves are present. While not a legal speed limit, following this advisory helps drivers maintain control. This is the no waiting sign, and it means that vehicles are not permitted to stop or idle in this marked zone, even briefly. Often placed near bus stops, intersections, or loading areas, this rule helps keep traffic flowing and prevents bottlenecks. This is the exit speed sign, and it recommends a safe speed for drivers as they leave a highway or expressway via an off-ramp. Slowing down to the suggested speed helps ensure smoother, safer transitions to local roads or junctions. This is the no stopping sign, and it means stopping is strictly prohibited for any reason in the area ahead, not even briefly to load or unload passengers or goods. This helps maintain clear lanes in high-risk or high-traffic zones. This is the wild horse sign, and it means that wild or free-roaming horses may cross the road in this area, especially in rural or open-range regions. Drivers should reduce speed and be prepared to stop if animals are spotted near the roadway, particularly at dawn or dusk. This is the narrow bridge sign, and it warns that the bridge ahead is narrower than the road leading up to it. Drivers must slow down, stay centered in their lane, and be prepared to yield to oncoming traffic if the bridge cannot safely accommodate two-way flow. This is the crosswind sign, and it means that strong side winds are common in this area and may push vehicles off course. This is particularly important for high-profile vehicles like trucks, vans, and motorcycles, which are more affected by sudden gusts. This is the road narrows sign, and it warns that the road ahead will become narrower, reducing the space available for vehicles. Drivers should slow down, stay alert for oncoming traffic. And that's a wrap on our 50 essential road signs. We hope this guide has helped you feel more confident, informed, and ready to tackle any road ahead. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more expert driving tips. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay alert and drive safe.